Panguni Uthiram, sacred full moon of divine marriages and harmonious relationships. Panguni Uthiram, occurring in the Tamil month of Panguni, March to April 2025, is a sacred full moon that aligns with the Uttara Falguni Nakshatra, the star of patronage and union. This auspicious event commemorates the divine marriages of Lord Shiva and Parvati, Mahavishnu and Mahalakshmi, and Lord Muruga and Devanai. It is a powerful time to invoke these celestial couples, drawing on their harmonious energies to dissolve negative relationship karma, attract love, and foster success in relationships. Who can benefit from Panguni Uthiram rituals? Individuals facing delays in marriage or struggling to find the right partner, couples seeking to enhance love, unity, and understanding, those experiencing relationship challenges due to planetary afflictions, anyone desiring success, prosperity, and longevity in partnerships, individuals facing family conflicts and desiring peace and happiness at home. To harness the blessings of this festival, Astroved will conduct 19 sacred rituals to remove karmic barriers and strengthen relationships. These include grand wedding rituals for divine couples, Thirukalyanam ceremonies for Shiva Parvati, Vishnu Lakshmi, and Muruga Valli Devanai to remove blockages to unions and ensure long-lasting partnerships. Aikyamatya, Suktam chanting, and fire labs strengthen love, unity, and bonding in personal and professional relationships. Puja for Unmata Bhairava and Varahi. Dissolve ego, remove mental conflicts, and ensure stability and prosperity in relationships. Power Spot Planetary Remedies alleviate negative planetary influences and boost intimacy and family harmony. The divine persona of celestial couples and their role in relationship blessings. Panguni Uthiram is a time to seek divine intervention for resolving relationship issues, clearing karmic afflictions, and inviting blissful companionship. The celestial couples represent the ideal balance of love and devotion. Shiva and Parvati represent the balance of detachment and devotion, ensuring marital stability and removing past life relationship obstacles. Vishnu and Lakshmi symbolize protection and prosperity, ensuring peace, emotional stability, and abundance in relationships. Muruga and Devanai Vali embody wisdom, action, and desire, helping individuals manifest spiritually aligned relationships and guiding them to find and nurture their ideal partner. Unmata Bhairava and Unmata Varahi protect relationships from negative influences, dissolve ego-driven conflicts, and foster emotional endurance and growth. Astrological and spiritual significance of Panguni Uthiram. Panguni Uthiram amplifies the power of devotion, commitment, and harmony in relationships. The full moon enhances emotional connections, bringing clarity, healing, and the opportunity to release past relationship wounds. It is an ideal time for karmic cleansing, especially for those facing afflictions like Mars dosha, Venus imbalances, or snake affliction. The Uttara Falguni Nakshatra, ruled by Aryaman, the divine matchmaker, blesses meaningful relationships, long-term commitments, and spiritual unions. Panguni Uthiram provides a unique opportunity to invite divine companionship, foster harmony, and strengthen relationships for long-term prosperity and happiness.